Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting. Today a question, how to solve for all possible real numbers x, y, z where x equals to 4z square over 1 plus 4z square, y equals to 4x square over 1 plus 4x square, z equals to 4y square over 1 plus 4y square. So I like to share a trick how to solve this type of question. When the question is these solutions are positive real numbers and there is a symmetry, we can observe a symmetry in the variables. So from the symmetry of the variables, this type of questions we can take, or this suggestion is to take x equals to y equals to z. Then it is given that x equals to 4z square over 1 plus 4z square. So substituting x, sub z, I'll get x equals to 4x square over 4x square, or this equals to x into 1 plus 4x square equals to 4x square, or x into 1 plus 4x square minus 4x square equals to 0. In x common, we will get 1 plus 4x square minus 4x equals to 0. So there are two possibilities, either x equals to 0 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. Case 1, x equals to 0 means x equals to y equals to z. So the solution will be, one solution we are getting 0, 0, 0. If there is a second option, then 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. This gives 2x minus 1 whole square is 0. This gives 2x equals to 1, or x equals to half. So x equals to half means y is also half, z is also half. Another solution is half, half, half. You can verify this. X equals to z square, 4z square by 1 plus 4z square, or y is equal to whatever is given. We can solve it or verify it. So there are two triplets. One is 0, 0, 0 and one is half, half, half. Thank you for watching.